Hi children, good morning. This is your social science class. In last class, we saw about third lesson in history, right? In that lesson, we saw about Tughlaq dynasty and Timur's invention, then the Delhi Sultanate court. These things we saw in the last session. In this session, we are going to see about the Sayyid dynasty and the Lodi dynasty. Kindly take page number 35. Okay. Qasr Khan, he was the first Sayyid ruler appointed by Timur. Already we studied about Timur, right? He was a Mongol and then he looted India, the thing we saw. And he took so many things from India and he beautified his capital Samarkand. Those things we saw about the man Timur. Okay, so that Timur he appointed Qasr Khan as the first Sayyid ruler. The Sayyid dynasty, it was the shortest dynasty, children. Okay, there were four Sayyid rulers: Qasr Khan Sayyid, Mubarak Shah Sayyid, Muhammad Shah Sayyid, Alauddin Am Shah Sayyid. These were the four sultans who ruled in the Sayyid dynasty. First of all, Qasr Khan. He was the governor of Multan. Multan means on those days Pakistan. Okay. At the time of the rule of Firuz Shah Tughlaq. Then this man Kishir Khan he joined Timur when he attacked India in the year 1398. Okay. After the disaster caused by Timur, okay, the political condition of Delhi was not stable. So Timur he left India and then he appointed Qasr Khan as the governor of Multan, Lahore and Tipalpur. Okay, in the year 1414, Qasr Khan he captured Delhi and he established the rule of Sayyid dynasty. Then Mubarak Shah Sayyid, he ruled from the year 1421. He was the son of which one? Son of Kishir Khan. Then he was a man of pure taste. Okay, he had futuristic vision and he believed in the old glory of the Delhi Sultanates. The nobles, they were not favor for this man Mubarak Shah Sayyid. So, the major part of the rule of Mubarak Shah Sayyid was spent in controlling the noble children. Then, Muhammad Shah Sayyid. This Muhammad Shah Sayyid, he succeeded his uncle Mubarak Shah Sayyid. Okay. At the time of the rule of this man, Muhammad Shah Sayyid, the nobles were very strong and powerful. Then Alauddin Am Shah Sayyid, he started to rule from the year 1443. Okay, but this man Alauddin Am Shah Sayyid, he was defeated by Babulal Lodi. Then the Lodi dynasty started to rule. Okay, first of all, this man, Bagla Lodi, he was the first Afghan Lodi ruler. He tried to join the divided sultanate. Already we saw so many independent kingdom arose and then they started to rule. Right. This man, Bagla Lodi, he wished to join the divided sultanate. So that's why he took so many serious steps. Okay, and he removed so many rebellious governors. He
And he
appointed
so many
Afghan
people
nobles
from
in his
Afghan
in their
okay
place
instead of
okay
the
Indian nobles. At the time of the death of this Bagla Lodi, the Sultanate it stretched from Punjab to Bihar. Yes. Then Sikandar Lodi. He was the son of Bagla Lodi. He started to rule from the year 1489. He was the powerful ruler of the Lodi dynasty. Sikandar Lodi was the powerful ruler of the Lodi dynasty. This man, Sikandar Lodi, he took over Jaunpur, which is in Uttar Pradesh, and Bihar, and he signed a treaty of friendship with the ruler of Bengal. Okay, He was a reformer and he introduced so many welfare measures for the public children, providing loans to the farmers, lowering prices of the goods. Okay, so many things he introduced. And the city of Agra, it was founded by Sikandar Lodi. Agra was the capital of Sikandar Lodi. Okay, he was very good poet too. He wrote so many poems in Persian. Okay, then we move to see about Ibrahim Lodi. Ibrahim Lodi, he started to rule from 1517. He succeeded by whom? He succeeded by Sikandar Lodi. First of all, he struggled to rule. He struggled the Afghan nobles. Okay, he struggled against whom? He struggled against the Afghan nobles who were against Ibrahim Lodi. But day by day, he defeated that Afghan nobles. Okay, then he replaced the senior nobles and governors. The senior nobles and governors, they were very powerful. Okay, the younger nobles, they took the place of the senior nobles. Okay, so that's why the nobles were not happy by the decision of Ibrahim Lodi. They were against Ibrahim Lodi. And then Lodi, he fought the first battle of Panipat. With whom? With Babur, the Mughal emperor, in the year 1526. Then Ibrahim Lodi was defeated by Babur. Then Babur, he started to rule. This was the foundation for the Mughal dynasty. Okay, children, kindly take page number 35 and 36. Kindly read, children. What are things we have seen today? We have seen about the Sayyid dynasty and the Lodi dynasty. In Sayyid dynasty, we saw about four sultans. Those were Kishir Khan Sayyid, Mubarak Shah Sayyid, Muhammad Shah Sayyid, Alauddin Am Shah Sayyid. Then in the Lodi dynasty, we saw about three sultans. Those were Baghlal Lodi, Sikandar Lodi, then Ibrahim Lodi. Thank you, children. Be safe at home.